Hello, hi everyone. This is Vamsi Reddy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I am going to explain remaining plots in data visualization with Python. Previous video, I have explained about Seaborn. Some of the plots like pair plots, distribution plots, joint plots. So many plots I have explained and detailing give you with examples and definitions of that plots and overall everything. What is categorically families, so many things I have explained about that. Whole this Jupyter notebook I have uploaded in my GitHub link. Just have a look here. You can get. I will give the link in description also. Okay. Let's move into the video today. Some more plots on the Seaborn. I will explain you that after completing of this Seaborn plots, all the plots, I will briefly give an idea about data visualization, jobs, salaries, how much you can get, what are the roles and different types of how to become a data visualization employee. Like that, I will show some of the things briefly. Let's move into the video. Okay. Up to here we have discussed about yesterday video. Okay, that is pair plot. Now today in this video I am going to discuss explain about plotting with categorical data. I have already shown you in the previous video about categorical data. There is three types of families. I have discussed about two types of families and this is the last family. Okay, let's move into that. Okay, for this plotting purpose I am using the data set that is tips. Let's you want to will show you the data. Yeah, this is a data set. It's contained nearly six to seven columns and so many things. Okay, there is a columns like total bill, tips, sex, smoker, day, time, size. These are the types of columns is presented for this categorical data using scatter plot. I'm first. I want to show you that here the tip is I'm using the scatter plot, which is known as for categorical plot, which can be categorically by default it is a scatter plot. Okay, for that graph, executing for that graph, I'm using the state code like sn as dot cat plot x is equals to day, y is equals to total bill. I'm finding the relations between the day and total bill and the data is equals to tips. Let's enter execute this. It's absolutely, we have seen this is on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, day by day. What is the tips value here? The highest tip is highest bill is in a restaurant or anything is Saturday, because on Saturday it is a weekend for everyone. They have a fun in the restaurants. So on Saturday, total bill is high when you compare it to remaining days. Like that only. If kind is a one type of I have said kind is very important. It's denoted that which type of graphs we are representing. Okay, same statement. I am passing the same x and y variable where kind is equal to span, and it also same look like scatter plot. Before default scatter plot, it look like same as this. When we compare from total bill and day, whereas Saturday is the highest in this graph. Also Saturday is the highest total bill is occur in a restaurant or anything. It is for example it's a restaurant, I will take in that. Okay, when you compare relate to the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday is the highest thing. And we all also know about Saturday is the highest thing because it's a weekend. So many are doing enjoy parties like that. The same code when we have changed the, here we have changed the kind, that is spam. So it will, this graph is look like a spam. And the next one is box plot. Box plot is very important to find the outliers. We here these are the outliers where the two these dots are outliers. These dots are outliers. remaining out of the box. These are the outliers. For that case, I'm using the kind is equals to box. We can print like this also, sns dot bar plot. We can print like that also. We can print list like. Code is not not the main issue here. You want to think which type graph we want to draw, which type of graph we want to represent, and which type of graph shows us perfect values of relation between two variables. Like this, we want to think about that. We don't want to think about the code is only you can get it from the Google. So we can write this code as sns.catplot also. We can write this code as sns.barplot also. There is a major differences. Small steps are differences, but method is all the methods are for the executing of the blocks plots. We are comparing between days and total bills, and here and Saturday and Thursday there is a lot of outliers which is used for finding outliers. These are the outliers. So in machine learning we can easily remove these outliers or modify these outliers. There is a lot of technique, that is a feature engineering technique, feature scaling. By using feature engineering, feature scaling techniques, we can remove these outliers and perform the data set in a equal form. At the time and after that we can process the data into the machine learning model algorithm. We can build the model. Okay, this is one type of box plot. And next I have if we have taken this days here, we have taken days and total bill. In the days only, how many smoker or not smokers are came into the restaurant. For that case, I am using the hues is equals to smokers. Here I am introducing the hues is equals to smokers, means how many on which day the smokers will have high, and which day the smokers have low. For that it can use it to print like this. You can see that the smokers are high at Saturday, and no smokers are also high at Saturday only. We can compare like that. We can see that where is the differences between low smokers at Saturday, high smokers at Saturday, low smokers at Thursday, low smokers at Sunday, no smokers at Sunday, low smokers at Thursday. I think so. I hope you can compare which type of graph is best, which type of things is best. You just want to compare how to we can. For that, in previous example I have taken only day and total bill, but for this type of example I have taken use smokers, if on which day the smokers is high or low. For comparing like that, I have taken this step. Okay, I hope. And next one is we are going to discuss I will explain about the Violin plot. Violin plot is one type of plot which is in the shape of violin. You have known already about the violin. It is a musical instrument. Like that, the graphs are also formed as a violin. Okay, I have for the printing of violin plots. We want to give the kind is equals to violin. It can help you build a execute a graph as a violin. And I have taken here the day, and I have taken male and female. Sex has contained male and female. For that case, I have taken the two types of male and female. sns.catplot x is equals to total bill, y is equals to days, hues is equals to x, kind is equals to value, and data is equals to. When we execute this, we can easily get these plots, male and female. We have Thursday, Saturday, Friday. We can easily find how many males are there. Like this. And the same thing we want to I have given where the split is goes to true. I have done here if I have keep split is goes to false, it will present it like this. If I have given split is goes to true, it represent like this. Same code, but split is changed. Split here the true, here the false. Same plot diagram. It will combine each other, and they divided each other. And the next one is bar plots. I have already explained about what is meant by bar plots. We can say which is the highest value for comparing a highest value, for getting dividing the equal classes or anything. For this case, I have said I have told about the bar plots in MATLAB where it has the bar plots in C1 also. C1 dot cat plot. I have taken x and y is equals to survived. Use is equals to class, where the class is a first class, second class, third class, because we want to initialize which class is highest, which class is highest. And kind is equals to bar, data is equals to dynamic. I have taken the dynamic data set. Let's show you the data set to you. This is the data set of Titanic data set. This is the Titanic data set. There are survival, classics, age, samplings, purchase. So many things are there. A lot of columns. So it is nearly 12 to 13 columns. We are taking the x-axis as a sex. We want to know how many males and females are getting to the class A, class B, class C classes. And survive is independent variable. It is a dependent variable. These are all independent variables. So for that, plotting of this when you plot this graph, when you have plot this thing where x is equals to x, y is equals to survived, and use is equals to class. In the males, first class are up to 0.38, I think so, and in the second class there is nearly 1.6, and third class which is 1. The females are highest in the first class. When you compare both males and females are high. They have, in the ship there is a lot of females when you compare it from the males. Okay, after this count plot is simply we can say counting the number of fans and deck, or count of number something. We can say that okay, it's a simple thing. We can say the count plot is simply we can count the values, and where the deck is here, the deck is one of the column, and how many values are there. We can count A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There is a highest in C. C is the highest values count, highest number I have taken. Like this is also highest when we compare to 1, 2, 3 classes. When you use a deck, the number of peoples are placed in first class. A, B, C, D, E. This A, B, C, D, E persons are stay in first class. And the last E, G, F are E is the medial of this. E has A persons, B persons, A first, second, third class. Both classes are containing E persons. Like this we can combine. And last but not last thing is pointed plot. It is one type of plot, an alternate stating of visualization. The same information is offered from point plot function. The function also encodes the values of the estimated with the heights of the other axis, but rather than the showing a full bar. It will simply we can say the point plot means 1 point to 1 point, bottom point, top point. When we take this x and survived, use is equals to class. Males are first class is contain 0.42. This is a bottom point. From here to here they contain. From here to green point, this is the ending point. This is a starting. This is a starting point. This is the ending point. Third class level, first class, second class level, first class level. This is a line point plot. We have 2 points and line touch to each other. These are the point plot. It can show only the starting and ending values. Between that, it is a range. It is also find the ranges. Okay, this is overall about Seaborn data visualization with Python. I have explained about all the concepts and basic graphs of data visualization with Python, like MATLAB and Seaborn, and the graphs are used in the visualization. What are the things they are presented? I have clearly explained about that. If you have any doubts related to this data visualization, please comment the section. I will try to make the videos on your doubts and clarify with you. Okay, I hope you are all understand about this. And one more thing I want to say you that I have upload this Jupyter notebook in my GitHub link. I also give this link in the description. Have a look on it, and if you want, download it. Okay, and overall this thing is over. Now I will show you that what are how to select a job as a data visualization. Just some basic things I will show you. After that I will make one video on data visualization separately for your in career guidance path. You can have a look on it, and I in this video I will just give you a brief how to get your skills, how to develop skills, what are the salary, basic salaries, what are the job titles, where you get the jobs, like this. A simple things I will go before going to jobs of data visualization process. You want to know some skills, steps of skills. Learn how to manage the databases. You want to know that managing the databases, and you want to experience with some softwares like Power IB, Tableau. Some of the softwares is there. You want to get some experience with that softwares. You want to choose the software. You want to have a practice on the search software. So you want to do a work on that software. It is easy for you to get well when you go to the jobs and when you go to the interviews. So if they can ask anything about that software, you can easily tell them answers because you have already worked on that. And third one is choose the right visualization. It means choose a right graph, choose a right visualization type which human can easily understand, attract very. You want to attract the peoples, and you want to attract your clients for that some of the related projects. At the time only you can improve your power, you can improve your skills. And the fourth thing is make easy to read. Make it easy to read. You want to keep the total like subtitles, axes, points, anything information. If we have from that graph, you want to keep that information in this graphs. By that seeing of these graphs, so any clients or anyone can easily understand what are the things there, or what are the columns are there, what are the features working are there, what is the relation between the each and the columns. They can easily understand. And the fifth one is keep the visualization clean. This is my most important step. Keep the visualization. Keep means you want to you have get an output as a simple graph. Is for example, it's looking very simple. People can't just have a height and weights, scatter plot is people does not understand in depth there. Please keep the visualization clean. You want to give separate values of this number. Make for one or two graphs you want to maintain, but you want to keep that graphs as a clean to see the clients or to see the peoples or your colleagues, anyone. By that and that only help you to improve your skills to get a good opportunities for in more future. And now we are going to now about the salaries. According to the pay scale, per year the data visualization as a beginner get up to 7,40,000. It is a minimum. I mean, it is a basic pay of a salaries. So many people's I have researched so many things. According to the profiles of nearly 10 to 12 profiles, I have heard that nearly they are getting 20 lakhs per annum, 25 lakhs per annum if they had nearly 1 to 2 years, 3 years experience also. That is based on your luck and based on your skills development. It is a basic pay. According to the Glassdoor, it is 8 lakhs per year. According to pay scale, it is 740k, 7,40,000. If you have skills very high, the company will pay definitely for you a lot. Okay. And job visualization, job titles, data visualization job title, where we can use the data visualization like data analytics, data science, data visualization specialist, senior data analyst, business intelligence, BI developer, UX developer, designer, software engineer. These are the things. This according to the pay scale I have arranged this. I have searched from the Google only. Okay, these are the job titles, small some job titles according to the data visualization. And finally, where you can get the jobs, where you want to search the jobs. Finally, if you want to search for jobs, you can go through the LinkedIn, Glassdoor, company websites, etc. So many online jobs websites are there. You can search for that and apply for the jobs and improve your skills and perform well in the interviews and finally get a job. Be happy. That's it overall about things of data visualization with Python. I hope you are all understand about this. If you have any doubts, please make a comments. I will try to solve this or try to make a video on your doubts. Okay friends, this is the end of this series of data visualization with Python. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share with your friends for improve their skills also. If you want to learn more about the data science or any technology related to web development, full stack development, Android development, just follow my YouTube channel. We are going to releasing a new videos and with simple content, easy content to understand, easily understand. Okay friends, bye, take care.